Hi, I'm Sai Chaitanya. Welcome to Sai Tech Guru. In this video, I'm going to talk about the battery life of the Redmi Note 9 Pro. So after using for 2 days, so this is a day 2 video, friends, which I have recorded at the moment. So there is already a day 1 video which I have uploaded. So even there will be day 3, friends. If the phone continues to go on even for the day 3, definitely I'll be uploading tomorrow as well the day 3. Overall, we can understand how good the battery of the Redmi Note 9 Pro is. And if you're watching first time this channel, do subscribe to my channel, so Sai Tech Guru. And also do check my latest videos, friends. These are the latest videos which are uploaded on the Redmi Note 9 Pro and other smartphones. So if you're interested, definitely take a look at my channel, so you can understand in depth about the phone before actually buying the device. So during this day 2, I have tested the standby mode of the Redmi Note 9 Pro device. So I left the 4G data continuously on throughout the night, and I just want to show you the screenshot which I have taken before sleeping and after awaking in the morning. So as you can see here, clearly the time is around 9:33 p.m. and the battery percent is of 72%. So clearly you can see a friend 72, and it is a time of 6:22 a.m. and the battery percent is of 68%. So overall, if you look at the time here, 23 hours 58 minutes, maybe 24 hours, and here it's 15 hours. So overall, the standby mode during the night time was 9 hours, friends. So in this 9 hours there is only drop of 4% in the battery, so that's a very good thing in the Redmi Note 9 Pro. The battery backup is very good, so there is no problem, friends, in terms of the battery problem in the Redmi Note 9 Pro device. And at the moment, let me show you the screen on time statistics, how much I'm getting here. So as you can see, friends, right now the battery percent is of 46%, and still the battery is pretty good. So 1 day and 14 hours ago I did charge my device, so you can see how the graph is. Let me show you screen on time how much it is, 4 hours and 28 minutes, so which is pretty good, friends. And one more thing you need to keep in mind is that I have used yesterday and today combined of Bluetooth usage of 6 hours. So yesterday 2 to 3 hours, and today also 3 hours. So I connected my Bluetooth earphones to the device, friends, Redmi Note 9 Pro, while listening music or while talking on the normal calls. So that is another thing, and with the 50% brightness turned on as well. So with the 50% brightness and with the 4G connection continuously on, so overall the battery backup is pretty good and very amazing, friends. So there is no doubt at all in terms of the battery. Even the music drain also was very pretty low. For example, for 1 hour there is only drop of 3% in terms of the music streaming online music, friends. And let me show you the voice calls, how much I did right now. So you can see, friends, voice calls I did around 1 hour and 13 minutes, or all yesterday and today combining of 1 hour and 13 minutes. So these are all applications what I used during this process, friends. So if you go into the detail, you can check here how much it is. So I think only for 1-2 hours I started to connect to the 4G data, because in my Wi-Fi, because in my home the network is not that strong, so I needed to as an urgent case I connected to the Wi-Fi. But most of the time the Wi-Fi was off and only the mobile data was on continuously. So it is a day 2 results, friends, and day 2 results are pretty good and very amazing. So there is no problem at all in terms of the battery, and definitely I'll be using only with the 50% brightness, friends, throughout the morning. So I'm trying to use to the maximum level, trying to connect with the Bluetooth earphones and everything. So again, I'll be back tomorrow making the day 3 video. So overall, we can come into a conclusion that how good the battery backup of the Redmi Note 9 Pro is. So see you in the next video, friends. Until then, keep checking my playlist in the description below about the Note 9 Pro. So see you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.